Genie supports managing multiple pathways between different mowing zones simultaneously. By adding or deleting pathways, you can achieve more flexible area navigation. Here's how to operate. 1. Open the app and tap Enter Device. 2. Tap Map Edit. 3. Switch to Edit and tap Add Pathway. 4. Make sure Genie is on the map, then tap Confirm Start Point. 5. Remote control Genie to follow the new route to another zone. Upon reaching the new zone, the Confirm Endpoint button will light up automatically. Tap it to complete the new path setup. When multiple paths exist, Genie will prioritize the path closest to its current location. When deleting a pathway or zone map, make sure Genie is parked at the charging station. Go to the Edit mode from the Map Management screen and tap the corresponding Delete button to complete the action. The system allows you to delete individual zones or pathways, but at least one area must remain. Deleting all zones is not supported. Stay tuned for more useful features from ANTHBOT Genie. For technical support, feel free to contact our service email.